Hi everyone, I'm Alicia, and today I'm joined by Julio from Studio Suite. Julio, how you doing today?
Doing great. Thanks for having me, Alicia.
Yeah, of course. Thanks so much for being here. So I understand that Studio Suite is now also available as a hosted solution, similar to software as a service. So can you tell us a little bit about how Studio Suite's hosting options work? And for those who aren't familiar with this method of deployment, they may not know. So what can you tell me about
Yeah, absolutely. So traditionally, our software has been offered as an on-premise solution, so you would install it on your own server. But now we do have the availability and the option of hosting it in our AWS server. So how that works is that would eliminate the need of you having to install it on your server or to buy a server. So it gives you that sort of access that's similar to a software as a solution, or as a service, should I say.
that? Okay. So what kind of benefits will this offer to new and existing clients of Studio Suite?
So they have the option of having it up hosted on a cloud or having it on premise. So it's pretty convenient either way, but opens up another option for customers that wasn't available before.
All right, Julio, thank you so much for telling me a little bit more about that and helping me understand a little bit further what that means for your customers. And if you'd like to find out more about Studio Suite, you can contact them. You can call them at the numbers on the screen, send an email to sales@studiosuite.com, or visit them online where you can even sign up for a free trial for 30 days of the Studio Suite software. And make sure that you're following them on social media. And thank you so much, Julio.
Thank you for having me, Alicia.